here we go. We're all ready for our maiden voyage, and yeah, it's pretty exciting. We put a lot into this. It's been a long couple of months, and yeah, I just took it around the neighborhood, hit a bunch of speed bumps, shake everything loose. Nothing came loose. It sounded great, felt good. So I think we're on our way. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So here we are on our way up to the mountains. What do you think, Jodi?
This is pretty fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's it driving?
Good. Pretty good. It's driving so well. After the upgraded suspension.
Yeah. So we got the Van Compass 4.3.
4.2.
No, I think it's 4.3. Anyway, the one with the adjustable suspension, we turned it on to the firmest ride, and I thought it felt pretty good.
Yeah, it's a big difference than the number one setting, which is the softest.
Sponge mode.
Which they set it to when we had it installed because the van was empty.
Yeah.
But now we have some weight back there, and it makes a big difference.
So this is the first time we've driven with, you know, all the Adventure Wagon stuff installed back there. Well, most of it. There's still three pieces that on the back door that we need to get set up. There was, unfortunately, they sent us two pieces for one side, for the driver's side, and no piece for the passenger side on the back. Back door, and that's fine. They'll take care of us. They already corrected some other minor things really fast, so you know, really pleased with it. But the main thing I like about what the Adwagon stuff did, it's so much quieter in here than when it was an empty cargo van.
That's true.
Yeah, I can't wait to get the last few bits in there because that'll help even more. It probably won't make that big of a difference, but you know, it'll just, the main thing is you know, being able to have the fully finished interior just transformed this vehicle from an empty shell into something that, you know, you can imagine spending some time in. We just had a little break on our way to the mountains, and you know, rather than sitting in a restaurant or something, we you know, we just sat in the van for a few minutes. It was really nice.
Alright, this road.
Anyway, Ziggy seems to be pretty happy in his new bed, and of course that's the main thing. So I guess that's it. See ya. Yeah? What do you think?
That's fun.
So
I
tired.
turned the light on.
Oh, the red light.
The red light. Keep the mosquitoes away. refrigerator staying in place?
Yeah, that's good. Do this one.
Oh, this is it. And then we hike up to the top of that rock right there.
So.
Looks like a turnaround. Hurry, my skin's gonna ignite.
I think I'm tired.
I'm half vampire. Half height. Oh.
It's a warm one. Needles rocks. I think that's what those are called. Come on down. Out here with our friends Jeff and Jarlin. Went driving up this long road, backcountry. The Mercedes app showed the road on the map, which was really cool. It helped us find the spot. Didn't expect that. It's bodes well for more backcountry exploration in the Sierras because apparently the roads are on the map.
I'm not grabbing you. No way. Let's go this way. At least we have powdery dirt to fall in.
But it doesn't matter. I started walking
breakfast. This all worked out pretty well considering how incomplete it still is. Yeah, it was a good time.
Coffee.
Okay.
Much needed coffee.
So I guess we're going to try to go up to Kings Canyon this morning
Yeah.
and take a look. I don't know if we'll be able to stay there, but we'll check it out. We've never been, and this might turn out to just be a scouting trip to see what we can do with a future trip. And let's see, what have we learned so far? We learned our refrigerator really needs insulation. It had a hard time keeping up with 100-degree weather yesterday and the day before. What else? The Arctic turn window, that little roll-up magnetic thing is kind of difficult to use.
I could remake something.
Yeah.
I don't have to use that one.
Yeah.
We could even have two versions. We could have one that's just a screen.
Yeah.
And one that's a cover that goes over the screen, or it's just a cover.
Yeah. The floor rail track has been super useful for keeping the cargo in place. The fan, the ceiling fan, very important. These little tie-down thingies, we need about a dozen more of these. We thought that 6 or 7 would be enough, and that wasn't even the beginning of it.
Well, once we have storage, a lot of that stuff will go in cabinets, right?
Yeah, probably.
But yeah, we need more. We're constantly looking for one.
Yeah,
They make
carabiners.
hooks too, remember?
Yeah, right. Need more places to hang things, tie things down. We've got a list of about 50 items on our notes of things to tweak and improve after this first run. And so I guess it was actually, you always hear about, how good of an idea it is to take, trips before your van's totally done. And this trip has completely verified that. There's no doubt that we would have made some decisions that wouldn't have been the best decision if we hadn't have done this trip. So, yeah, we learned a lot. What else? Anything else interesting? I don't know. Okay, I guess that's about it. We're going to drive down the hill soon. See ya.
Tiny spaceships. 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 Tiny
Tiny spaceships from far away. We're already here on the earth today. Just so small that you wouldn't believe. Travel at speeds that we couldn't conceive. That means one could slip right by, undetected to the human eye. Try to catch one, you wouldn't stand a chance, because they're just so small yet so advanced. Those tiny spaceships under our noses, just so small we'd never notice. And while we're looking up at the sky, a tiny spaceship can slip right by. Tiny spaceships under our noses, just so small we'd never notice. And while we're looking up at the sky, a tiny spaceship can zip right by. What if tiny spaceships the size of gnats end up getting eaten by hungry bats, or snatched up by a frog's long tongue? The tiny spaceman would be long gone, lost on a mission as one of the few to study the giants of planet Blue. That's me and you. You wanna know why? Cause we are the aliens in their eyes. Tiny spaceships under our noses, just so small we never noticed. And while we're looking up at the sky, a tiny spaceship can slip right by. Tiny spaceships under our noses, just so small we never noticed. And while we're looking up at the sky, tiny spaceship to slip right by. What if they're from a planet that's cold and gray, in a universe light years away? And even though it sounds like it's very far, what if it's the universe next to ours that makes us neighbors with a space-time fence? If the universe begins right where ours ends, a trillion galaxies send trillions of stars, and somehow they found their way to ours in tiny spaceships under our noses, just so small we never noticed. And while we're looking up at the sky, a tiny spaceship can slip right by. Tiny spaceships under our noses, just so small we never noticed. And while we're looking up at the sky, a tiny spaceship can slip right by. Tiny spaceships, tiny spaceships, tiny spaceships, tiny spaceships.
Where are we going?
We are going to Mono Creek Campground, which is apparently about 40 miles down this crazy road. Yep, 40 miles left.
We've gone 3 miles
Yeah.
up
and
this.